So now we'll see how we can update Google Sheet raw data into Adalo directly using Integromat. So we will do a create new scenario here. So the create new scenario here will be for Google Sheets. So we type in Google Sheets, click on Google Sheets, do a continue. So here we select Google Sheet and we will do watch changes. So this will trigger when a cell is updated. So any change happens for any existing row in a Google Sheet, this trigger will happen. So we will add a webhook for that. So this is a webhook which we will have to later configure in Google Sheet. So we can copy it and keep it. Okay, so once that is done, we will go to our Google Sheet wherein we want to monitor any update. So what we will do over here is go to the add-ons, get add-ons. So you can search for Integromat here. So you have Integromat. So you can install that by clicking here. Once that is installed, you can come to the add-ons, go to Integromat and go to settings. So in the settings, so in watch update settings, we will have to add the webhook URL which we had just copied. So this is the webhook URL. So this is the, I'll show you, this is the webhook URL. We copied, copy address to clipboard and we paste it here and we save this. Once the save is done, so any change now happens here will trigger a notification to Integromat. So once that is done, we add another module. We add Adalo. So we select that and we select update a record. So now what we do is we will have to configure that. So we have to add the record ID. So which record we will want to update. So that is from the row values. That is the row number E, which is the ID. Based on that ID, we will update in Adalo. So we select that row value, that is E, that is the record ID, and the data what we want to update. So this also again comes from the row values. For priority, it is A. For question, it is B. For answer, it is column number C. And for link, it is column number D. Okay. So this is an update trigger. Whenever an update happens in Google Sheet, the subsequent record ID will get updated in Adalo.